Alrighty guys, welcome back to another RV walkthrough. My name's Taylor Quayle. Today we're looking at a 2017 Winnebago Fuse 23A model. This is pretty unique. It's a diesel and it is a twin bed setup. So we're going to run through the exterior here, check out the few compartments it has, and then we'll jump inside and see what that has to offer. It's just a hair over 23 feet, 6 total tires, dualies in the back of course. And it is really a nice coach. The awning is quite unique. It comes down and it bends down quite a bit, but it gives you so much coverage. Unless you're like, well into the 6 foot range, you should be fine. Me, 5'8", 5'9", no big deal here. So tires, I'll get you some sizes. Let's see, 195, 75R, 16Cs. These tires on this coach are, God, not even about a year old now. Year and a couple months probably. So your first compartment, a lot of these aren't full-on compartments. This is your propane tank. Above that we have some power outlets. I have a Ethernet cord or connection right there. Back of the furnace, some batteries, and then got one storage here combined with a water tank, as you can see. And then right below we have another storage. Step back so you can try to see the size of them. They're not like crazy big by any means, but they're better than nothing. And then right here we do have a potable water fill. Back of the water heater, which we are looking at a 6-gallon. Back of the coach, it does have one of the options where you have a solar panel up top, a little bit of a trickle charge. It does have a hitch. It's hidden behind this. It's one of the small hitches though. You would have to get an adapter to take it to the standard size. It is good for 5,000 pounds though. Of course does have a backup camera. Now over here, water fill, another water. It's right here. Outdoor shower, your dump station, and your gin. It's kind of hard to see. I don't think you'll be able to see it, but if you follow this pipe right here all the way down, gin is right in the middle, bottom middle. So you actually have to get under it if you got to do any service on it. Now this is your power cord, 30 amp power service, of course. And now this, what is this? Hose storage right there. All right. And then last storage up on the exterior. It's just like the size on the passenger side. A little bit harder to get to because it is under the slide, but not too bad. So there's the exterior. Now this coach is, I don't think I mentioned it, it is full body paint. And then you do have, it's like a full body with additional decals. So your actual base coat does have a clear coat on it. It should withstand a lot better. Once again, decals over time. Just store your coach correctly. All right, let's jump inside. Alrighty, we got one exterior step in, and then a couple more to get all the way in the coach. Right when you walk into your left, we have your coach battery, awning controls, awning light, and then of course your step control. Up a little bit more, light controls. Well, here it is. First look, right when you walk in, you have a slide, and then you have the rest of the coach. But we'll go over everything in here. I'm gonna start up front. Now, they call it in the business a B+. It's pretty much a Class C without the big overhang. It is an entertainment center instead of having a massive bunk up there. Some people like it, some don't. But anyways, like I said, this coach is a diesel. It's a 3.2 liter Ford Transit motor, or the same motor they use in chassis they use in that Ford Transit. 3.2 liter turbo diesel. You see 19,930 on the miles. Now nothing too crazy different. Standard door controls, light controls, mirror controls. Up front, you do have that's your backup camera right there. It's hooked up to your rear view, which is kind of interesting, but kind of nice. Small little screen up there. Standard controls for, of course, radio, things like that. One seat does turn, and then it does have the riser there. So this is so your knees are not in your face when you're sitting here, because there's a little bit of a drop down. Or if you're really short, you can use that to drive. So pretty cool. Passenger seat turns, driver's seat does not. I tried multiple times, but it's just not enough room. It is kind of nice to have that though. A little bit of storage slots right above your head. Storage left of the TV. Looks like a 32-inch. Storage right of the TV. This looks like it can open. Let's look. It can. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So you got your DVD multi-disc player. I gotta fix that satellite connection. I should probably go up on the roof and see. You know what? We're gonna do that. I'm gonna put you on pause. Okay, so no satellite up here. Maybe that was an option, but you can see the solar panel. And here's just the top of the roof in case you are interested. Now that we got that answered, I'm not sure what the satellite connection in there is for. You may have wiring up there to actually put a satellite up there. All right, storage to the right. Oh, that's kind of cool. It has a vent in there. Interesting. And then, looking down the coach, this is what we got. Your slide from that corner to this corner has the little Norcold fridge, microwave, storage, and then your couch slash bed, one of your beds. This is a propane or electric fridge and freezer. So it's kind of nice. It does have the separate freezer connection, not like a lot of dorm room fridges. And it is a little bit bigger. You got your sliding drawers right here. Sorry about that. Had a sales guy come ask me a question. Blinds behind. Does it have the duals? Let me look. It doesn't. It's just your standard blind right there. Now your bed. One of your beds. This is your additional sleeper. I'm going to set it up for you, but I'm not going to make you go through the seizure-causing movement I'm about to put on this camera. Give me 1 second. So all you do is pull the bottom out. Pulls out straight. Legs come out. Drop this bad boy down. There you go. You got your sleeper. This is only usable when the slide is out. There's just not enough room. And I'd probably suggest doing like an air mattress on top of this. This is pretty comfortable, but when you start getting to this, it's not bad. You know, if you're drunk enough, nothing's really a bad sleeping area, but something to point out. Set it back up. Be right back with you. All right, let's continue on here. So like I said, it is a twin bed setup. Quite unique. You can make this one big sleeping area. So we'll check that out. But first, let's check out this little kitchen, but not bad use. It's got a nicer faucet than I just bought for mine at home. It's kind of nice. Single bay sink, but it is deep. Stainless steel. 2-burner stovetop. No oven. And no convection, so you got to keep that in mind, kind of. Storage under the sink. And then to the right, pots and pan storage. And then your real pots and pan storage. They actually have a real backsplash in here, and this is kind of nice. Just a little detail. Piece of glass. Storage above. And storage to the right. You can see they are lit too, which is nice. All right, now we can move on to your bedroom. So like I said, 2 twin beds. This thing doesn't do anything crazy except that they do extend a little bit. What's cool about this right side, you can bring this leg up, and then there's a specific cushion for it. So if you are one of those people that are 6'2", 6'3", 6'4", not 5'9", you should still be able to fit. It's kind of nice. And if you move all these away, you can actually lift this up too, which is kind of cool. Give you like a little extension for when you're watching TV. So a lot of cool little features in this coach, especially for the sleeping arrangements. Now down below, you have a couple things that, where is it? Is it on this side? Okay, so you got drawers. There they are. So these pull out and they rest right on here, right on this line. Hard to tell, but that'll actually make it so you have just pretty much a king bed. Now the only downfall with that, if you did make this one big sleeping area, you notice where your bathroom is. You'd have to do a little jumpery over here to get to the back to the bathroom. So something to keep in mind. But if you really did, you know, your main concern is not having a big enough bed, or you want to do a lot of cuddling with the significant other, you know, you can make that happen. So here is some basic stuff I printed out, a little bit of info. I'm going to go over each one. You're welcome to pause it. I tried to highlight some of the more important info. And this is our ad. So we got a price at $76,995. All right. Now also behind here, you can see there's a little leg right there. What that leg is for, you can set that up right there and use it as a dinette, or set it up right there and use it as a dinette. So a couple different uses. Now we do have a little bit of storage under the twin beds. There's 2 drawers. Usable drawers, I should say. And then looking forward, you can see that is an option too, 24-inch TV right there. Nice big storage compartment, generator right here. 23, can you see that? 23.5 hours on the gen. And then your ZAMP solar controller. And then lots of covers for the front. Shades. Speaker, what is this? USB, that's kind of nice. And then USB on that side. Yeah, so a lot of cool little features. Finally, we got your bathroom. It does have a door. Can give you a little bit of privacy at least. Now it's a little tight, which is kind of to be expected, but the toilet is on a pedestal, so it's kind of nice. You got 2 drawers right behind. Water pump, light control, storage right. Oh, this is cool. Does that come out? Is that just a hanger? I thought these extended. I could be wrong. I might be wrong. I must be wrong. Anyways, you got a hanger in here. And to the right, kind of hard to see and get to, but a little bit of extra storage shelving there. Little baby sink, but you got one. Beautiful looking faucet. Outlet there, and then your 1-piece fiberglass shower, which actually isn't too bad. It's more square than rectangular, which is a plus. Once again, you've heard how tall I am. Oh, look, clothes hanger. So yeah, you can be into the 6-foot range. You're gonna have to bend down to get the neck wet and the head wet. But you have a little additional clothes hanger if you're one of those people that don't like showering in your RV. So there you go. There's the coach. What I'm going to do finally and lastly, I'm going to put you guys on pause one more time, put the slide in, and show you what it looks like with that. So I'll be right back with you. Alrighty, and here it is. Interior from the bathroom. The slide in. Still got, honestly, plenty of walkway. You can see why you cannot put the bed out. And it really, I mean, when you look up here, it doesn't look any different. Let's go check it out on the exterior. So you'll be able to see her all closed up, awning in. Try to avoid some of the sun, my gosh. So this coach is here at our lot in Tucson, Arizona. We are Pedada RV Center, and we sell used coaches to the public. If you have any questions on this, please give us a call. Phone number for us is 520-807-0900, or you're welcome to shoot us an email. My email is taylor@pedadarvcenter.com. Pedada spelled P as in Paul, E as in Edward, Data, D-A-T-A, RVcenter.com. I really appreciate you guys viewing my video. If you have any questions, give me a comment down below. If you have any suggestions, shoot away. Have a great day.